What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have another Southwest model, but this time it's the NG Models 737-800 in the new Illinois 1. This is a beautiful aircraft. I haven't seen it in person yet, but this is to replace the 700 variant, which was November 918 Whiskey November, that used to sport the special livery, and that's now been retired. So they've painted it on an 800, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. There's a whole lot more room for details and everything, and I think, you know, this transition from the 700s to the 800s and potentially the Max 8s and Max 7s in the future will be great for some of these special liveries, because there'll be more room to show them off and the paint will be a whole lot sharper and everything, and I'm super excited for that. But anyways, let's get right on into it. So here's the beautiful box art that NG has done on this this one. Very nice. I think it looks fantastic. The eagle, you know, the sort of like stars and bars. Very nice. Let's get right on into it. Very excited for this model. Got the little pink card, very nice. Alright. Here we go. Looking great. Again, the updated packaging, this like cradle is a lot more solid, which I think is a good thing. Plastic's a lot more solid. Very nice. Alrighty. Move that off to the side. Here we go, guys. Very nice. Wow. Alrighty. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look at it here in detail. Let's just zoom in right there. This looks absolutely amazing. As I say, I haven't seen this one in person yet. I hope to soon. I do have the original 700 variant, the one that sported this livery. That was 918. But now, you know, I have the upgraded version. This honestly looks a whole lot better. It's NG first off. The other version I had was Gemini Jets, and it was an older release, which those were actually pretty good. But the livery just looks a whole lot better on the 800 in my opinion now. Seeing the models at least, comparing the models at least. But yeah, so let's get right on into it. Here we go. Zooming in at the front. Got the cockpit windows. This mold is obviously fantastic with the shape and everything. Very nice. Great detail there. You got Illinois 1. All the nice detail around the nose cone. Cockpit windows and everything looking fantastic. And then this part of the special livery. You know, I actually don't know what does it say? Something state. Sovereignty. Sovereignty state? Interesting. Huh. So that's what that says there, I guess, and there's something else on that part as well. Right here. National Union. Okay. Just, I guess, part of their state flag and whatnot. Anyway, the eagle, very nice. Look at that. Great printing job by NG. Moving along with this sort of shield, stars and bars, I guess part of the American flag, kind of is to symbolize that. Got the antenna at the bottom right there and the antenna at the top. Very nice. The engine looking fantastic. Very nice how it flows from the fuselage to the engine on this part. Very well done. That's something I feel like, you know, it shows it on the fuselage as well, but just seeing it also wrapped around here on the engine, I think, you know, that's something I feel like Gemini Jets would not get correctly, in my opinion. And NG's done a fantastic job with that. Very well done there. Moving along, I see the more feathers of the bird, the eagle and everything, and then kind of back here you got the sun setting. Very nice. Registration November. What is this one? 8619 Foxtrot. American flag there, and then the Southwest title on the tail and Southwest tail. The new tail. Very nice. Splits looking fantastic. They're just white on this aircraft. They're just plain. No decals or no markings on them, but very sharp splits as always for NG. Taking a look at the nose, like head on. Very nice. As you can see, the last video I uploaded should have been the Max 8, and you can see how the gear is different. This is a lot lower, and the Max would have been a lot higher. So they've done a good job, you know, replicating the two molds correctly. Anyway, here's a look at it. The engine's looking fantastic. They're not tilted or there's nothing wrong with them. They're mounted perfectly. As I said, I'm thrilled by their printing. It looks so clean. If you just look at it at a certain angle, it just flows perfectly right there. So nice. Great job by NG on that. You have the little baggage door here at the front, and then there's one at the back here as well. So apart from that, that's it for this model. We'll take a look at the top down and the bottom. So there's a top down. There's great detail on the overwing exit markings as well as on the wings in general. Very, very nice. And then the bottom, very, very nice how it all comes together down there. Great job. Fantastic model. So I'm super excited to see how many more of these specials get transferred over to the just the Dash 8, the NG variants of the 737-800, and how many end up on maybe Max 8s, or eventually how many end up on the Max 7s. So it'll be interesting to see. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.